This week our letter is letter H, and H makes the sound when we write capital H. Um, we make two lines, high to low, and then connect the lines so we can say hello. And then lowercase h is first start high, then go low, then jump back up for lowercase h is little hump. So start high, then go low, jump back up for lowercase h is little hump. So they can choose an option for capital H and lowercase h, but also know if they have a different activity, that is okay too. So one option is writing in Play-Doh. So you just take some Play-Doh, squish it out flat. Um, we use golf tees here at school to write in them. So if you have any golf tees or pencils work great too. You can also just use your finger to form lowercase h or capital H in the Play-Doh. And then since Halloween's this week, I thought it'd be fun to use candy to form H. And this is an activity that some of them that look pretty fun. So you just take, if you have any boxes laying around or styrofoam, you can write an H right on top of that. And if you have any golf keys or really anything, I can't really think of anything off the top of my head that would also be pokey, but a golf tee would work good. And they just hold it and they just hammer that in to form capital H or lowercase h. And then handwriting page is always our last option.